Hello grade 6. Hope you are enjoying fractions. Today we will continue chapter 8 about fractions, operations. What do we mean by reciprocal fractions? Reciprocal. The reciprocal of A over B is B over A. We inverse A and B. A and B are non-zero numbers, remember that. 6 over 13 and 13 over 6. These two are reciprocal fractions. 17. Remember that a number alone is a number over 1. Then and 1 over 17 are reciprocal fractions. The product of two reciprocal fractions is 1. Let's see. 6 over 8 times 8 over 6. This is the reciprocal of the first fraction. 6 times 8, 48. 8 times 6, 48. Then 48 over 48 is 1. 9 times 1 over 9. Two reciprocal fractions. 9 over 1, 1 over 9. It's equal to 9 over 9, and 9 over 9 is 1. Then the product of two reciprocal fractions is 1. Remember that. Dividing two fractions. When we divide, we want to use the reciprocal. How? The quotient, that is the answer of division, of two fractions is equal to the product of the first by the reciprocal of the second fraction. 8 over 5 divided by 7 over 3. Look here, 8 over 5 remains 8 over 5. Division changes to multiplication. 7 over 3, we write its reciprocal, 3 over 7. And then we multiply. 8 times 3, 24, and 5 times 7, 35. Another example. 11 over 9 divided by 3. 3 alone is a 3 over 1. Division is changed to multiplication. And 3 reciprocal 1 over 3. And then we multiply. Sometimes after we change into multiplication and we make reciprocal of the second one, we can simplify like we did in multiplication. Now we can divide 6 and 9 by 3. 6 and 9. Divide both by 3, we get 2 over 3 times 5 over 3, and we get the answer. Let's have this example here. 50 over 16 divided by 5 over 14. Divided by, it changes to multiplication. 50 over 16 times 14 over 5, reciprocal. And then we simplify. We can divide 50 and 5 by 5. Then we get 10 and 1. And we can simplify 14 and 16, divide both by 2, we get 7 and 8. Then we multiply 70 over 8. Calculate the fraction of a number. What do we mean by this? The 2/5, that is 2 over 5 of 60, means 2 over 5 times 60. Then of changes to a multiplication sign. Of becomes multiplication. Let's see how. 2 over 5 of 60. It is 2 over 5 times 60. 60 is over 1. Then we multiply. 2 times 60, 120. 5 times 1, 5. We can simplify. Divide both by 5. We get 24 over 1. 24 over 1 is 24. We can solve this in another way. That is, we simplify before we continue. 2 over 5 of 60 is equal to 2 over 5 times 60 over 1. This is equal to 2 over 1 times 12 over 1. 60 and 5 can be divided by 5 to simplify. And then the answer will be 24 over 1. It is 24. Another example. 4 over 8 of 36. 4 over 8 times 36 over 1. Then we simplify. Divide 4 and 8 by 4. 4 and 8. Divide them by 4, we get 1 over 2 times 36 over 1. It's equal to 36 over 2. Divide 36 by 2, it is 18. Let's take page 127, number 9. We have Rami and he has 12,000 LBP, liver pounds, Lebanese pounds. Now he wants to use 3/4 of this sum to buy a painting box. How much money? 3/4 is how much money of the 12,000? 3/4 of the 12,000 is equal to 3/4 times 12,000 over 1. This is equal to, I can simplify 12,004, divide both by 4. I get 3/1 times the 3,000 over 1. Now 3 times the 3,000 is equal to 9,000. Then Rami intends to pay 9,000 Lebanese pounds for the box. Go to your book, read the problem again, and see the solution. Order of operations. Remember, the order of operations applied to the numbers is also applied to fractions. We start with power, parentheses, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. Now please look at the examples. I will take the last one. We have 15/14 minus 1/2 times 8/7 plus 4/2. With what do I start? With multiplication. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. I write 15/14 minus 8/14 plus 4/2. Now I have subtraction and addition. I go from left to right. All of them with the common denominator 14. 15 minus 8 plus 28. It is 35/14. Then I simplify. Divide both by 7. 5/2. Your homework will be page 128, number 14, 129, 20 and 21, page 130, 27 and 29. Please enjoy.